You are going to love the 2020 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.